Athi, sukha,
purvaka,
pranayama, when translated, actually means extreme joy, extreme bliss, extreme happiness, merging with the source of all creation. So this must be a powerful pranayama. Volume checks. Hey everybody, today we're going to do a really simple pranayam that anybody can do and is absolutely amazing. So let's get right into it. This pranayama is called Athi Sukha Purvaka Pranayama. It's a long name, you don't have to worry about the name. It's just a technique that you have to do, but that's the actual name, and it relates to bringing oxygen and prana into your system, stabilizing and then releasing. It's a little known pranayama. In fact, I rarely see it being taught in yoga schools. It's so simple, I always wonder why. This is a great starting pranayama, and it's one you're going to want to practice every day for a few months. It'll prepare the body, the lungs, and the pranic flow so that you'll better benefit from other pranayama techniques once you've mastered this basic one. We'll do a few rounds together. So you're going to take a deep breath in, hold as long as comfortable, and I won't hold for too long just to show you the technique, and then exhale slowly. And you'll repeat that 10 times. You inhale as deeply and comfortably as you can. Retain for as long as comfortable, don't force it. And then exhale slowly. This is such a powerful pranayama. You don't need to observe any ratio between the inhalation, retention, and exhalation. It's whatever feels comfortable. And that's what's so beautiful about this basic pranayama. It has tremendous benefits, and you don't have to worry about the rules and regulations associated with some of the other pranayams. So the one thing you want to add to it is a mantra. And the mantra can simply be Om. If you have your own personal mantra, if you have mantras you like to use, go ahead and use them. If you don't, just use Om. Om is the original breath, the first outpouring of prana to generate a universe, to generate life. So when we add that into this pranayama, it keeps us focused, centered. You're raising your energies, raising your consciousness, purifying your being to be in the state for the ultimate handshake with the Creator. So when you add the mantra, you do the mantra during the retention. Okay, so let's try it together again. Inhale deeply. As you're retaining your breath, keep the mantra running in your mind. Eyes closed. Exhale slowly and comfortably. One more round. Inhale deeply. Retain. Mantra. And when you're ready, exhale slowly. Let's try one more time. Inhale deeply. Retain your mantra. In my case, it's always Om. And exhale slowly and comfortably. That's the whole technique. So if you're trying it, let me know how you feel in the comment box. Just remember to keep the inhalation and exhalation deep and full. Oh, by the way, this is a great pranayama you can do lying down. So you can do it in bed when you wake up, for example. And it'll be a great way to start your day. Also, you can do it before going to bed. If you have any kind of sleep problems, this pranayama will help a lot with that. So don't hesitate to do a few rounds of it before you go to sleep. In the beginning, try to get to 10 rounds comfortably. And as you progress, 20 rounds a couple of times a day would be sufficient to have great impact. Athi Sukha Purvaka Pranayam is very, very easy and very comfortable. It's also a very useful pranayam to do if you're experiencing any kind of difficulty. It will be very helpful with anxiety and stress. It's also a great pranayam to strengthen your will. So if you've gone on a diet, or you're trying to quit smoking, or you need to change a certain habit in your life, Whenever you feel a little bit weak, use this pranayam. You can do it in a couple of minutes, and you'll see how it reinforces and strengthens your will. So with all those benefits, do it every day, lift yourself up through pranayam, and enjoy the marvels of these ancient yogic techniques. It tones the nervous system, relaxes the muscles, calms the mind. Circulation is promoted, oxygenation is promoted. The rhythm and harmony of your being is fully and fundamentally balanced. You will radiate peacefulness and happiness. With pranayama, it's always good to start with the basics. So if you haven't done it already, check out the video on the basic yogic pranayama, which is the basic yogic deep breath. In fact, let's go over it one time here just in case. Here we go. Inhale all the way in, your belly, your mid-chest, and your upper lobes. And out. And one more time, inhale deeply, feeling your body lift up, and exhale out slowly. Right away, you're going to notice a calming and centering effect. You'll know if pranayama is working because you're going to feel great. You're going to feel great when you do it. I'm always getting asked about how to work with Tibetan bowls. Oh my God, these things are so stimulating. So come back, take a look, because we're going to do some great videos on what you can do with these things. They're not just soup bowls. Hit the subscribe button and the bell, which I wish could be a Tibetan bowl instead of a bell there, and you'll get notified when we post those videos. So once again, thanks a lot for watching. Namaste. Have an amazing day. And don't forget to share your experiences with pranayama in the comment box. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you back here next time on Yoga Vibe.